Welcome to G-Tex Designs. In this episode, we're going to be building part 6-32 Lubricator Crank Ring for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 6-32 Lubricator Crank Ring. Let's go File New. MMGS part. Alright, let's go right plane, sketch. We want a circle, just one circle. That's going to go center point, and that's going to be a radius of a diameter of 41. 41. Actually, it's going to be two circles, my apologies. Got a hole in the middle. That's going to be 16. 16. That can extrude. Come on. So keep extrude out by 6. Done. Now, doesn't matter which side it is. Just pick one side. Normal. Sketch. With another circle. That's going to be 22. 22. That's going to extrude cut by 5. And done. Alright, yep, that's looking good. Now, let's go this side. Didn't match which side really, but we're going to do this side. And sketch. We're going to go part 631, the one we just built previous episode. We need to get the reference numbers off it. 3 holes. Actually, we're going to do... One's countersunk, so... We're going to do 2 holes first, countersunk. So let me go to, let's go to circle. And that's going to be instruction line. That's going to be 29. So smart dimension 29. Exit sketch. Then we want a hole wizard. That's going to be 4. We want countersunk. M4. Yep, M4 right there. Go position. 1 there. 1 there. That's going to be smart dimension. Actually, let's go to line. I could put a line. That circle I could put in with this one too. Let me put 1 there. Actually, I got that wrong way. No. You just cancel that one. I done it wrong. I just went the wrong way. It went this way. There we go. Which is not a problem. We just grab this one and go that way. There we go. And that's going to be, actually one down, my apologies. So used to doing that way, but this has the dimension going this way. There we go. So we got, as is 30. 30. That point and this line will be joined. And that should be locked in now. Yep. And this point and this center point will be horizontal. And that should be there. We've got one more to do here, but it's a different size hole. Ooh, that's not good. We need to change something. That's too... Countersunk is too much. We change the countersink. bit normal. $15. Oh, in condition. Go back to 18. Head clearance. Increase count sunk. Hold on, how do we change count sunk size? Here we go. If I do 3, nope. Sorry. Wrong one. 7. Okay, that's actually about where it is. Yeah, that's it. Okay. I changed that one to 4 as well. Okay, that's good. Do the next hole. We go back to 31. So we want to do... I realised I think I missed something on the last piece, which I'll fix up in a minute. So let's go to... just thinking... I did a hole in that one. Let me go... Actually, let me do this sketch. We don't need that circle anyway. It doesn't affect the others. So I want a hole there somewhere. I want a construction line. It's going to be from horizontal to an angle. The angle will be 60, so smart dimension. 60. Press dot, center, press line and join. And that's going to be 6 mil. 6 mil. Done. Through cut, through all, and done. There we go. And that should be good. Yep, it does not break through there. That is good. Okay, let's open up the other piece. So I've got to put threads in there. So I need to put threads in this. Okay, so let's go to... Oh, that's assembly. I don't want assembly, sorry. That's better. So we want plain 10 mil out. There we go. Okay, so let's go to Hole Wizard, thread. Now the first one is it's gonna be 6. Let's do M6. Scroll down more. M6, that's 60. M6 by 1.0 is the option we got. So we want the circle, which is going to be this circle. We want this plane. Come on, this plane. And we want, zoom in, up to be that plane. There we go. Reason, if not too sure, reason I pull this plane out, bring it out there, if you stop there, a lot of times it seals it. The thread don't go fully through. That's why I do that. And I think we're going to have error. Yes, we do. External, there we go. And done. Now, it does stick out. That's not a problem. We can fix that shortly. Let's do the other two. They were what, 4? Yes, they were 4. So, Hole Wizard. My bad. Hole Wizard thread. What's that 4? I just did 6. 4. Okay, the only 4 we got is 4.07. So the option we got, okay, guess the only one we can do. So circle. We should change that automatically like the others do. That plane. Come on. And inner plane. Extrude. Done. Now we do the same again for the next hole. It's going to be the circle. It's going to be the next one will be the plane. I like clicking space in case I click a wrong thing. And then it's going to be this one. I don't know what takes so many clicks to get that one. Thank you. And it's going to be there. So extrude. Done. Okay, so this one here can hide. This plane now can hide. Do not delete, because that's a reference plane. Now, if we go to sketch, normal 2, sketch, if I do a circle from here to there, I just drew it out by, now it's normally 10 mil, I've got checked, but it should be 10 mil out. So if I do extrude cut the other way, flip it, but let's do 12, just make sure I've got enough, and done. There you go, and there's the threads. So there's the threads on that done. Let's open up the other one, recent, but we want that one. Rebuild. There you go. And there are the threads on there. Beautiful. That's part 6-32 Lubricator Crank Ring done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. We fixed up part 631. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep designing.